Hello, welcome back to Let's Play Baldur's Gate 3. And um, last video was basically, I guess, how to pick up chicks Baldur's Gate edition.
So now I want to get something very clear because at the end of last video,
Hmm.
you said that we were going to go and punch some fake paladins.
Right.
Now, just hear me out on this. What what if we found some real paladins?
I mean, Minthar is later.
Okay, I'm I'm not like totally sure she counts, but okay.
Apparently, her class is Paladin. But
Yeah, I heard that.
yeah.
It's I've also heard that people have gone to great lengths to save her without like becoming monsters. So,
Yeah, there's an entire mod for it
oh wow.
where so instead of just not finishing the goblin thing, you do a mod, and what happens is when you defeat her, she vanishes in a puff of smoke, and then you rescue her later, like you would
Ah,
if you were to not finish her off.
mm-hmm.
Oh, I must have cast Speak with Dead with you
I
earlier.
yeah. Yes, I
We've got a
believe you
long
did.
road ahead.
But I think that was on the what's that guy? The
Mortis in lingua mortua.
older brother that died, and the people were
The
like, "Oh,
corpse
you're a true
regards you
soul."
lifelessly.
Right, right. Hmm.
Vance, Toll Collector.
I love how they do this spell.
Jumped to escape. Broken. Gold. Basement. Locked.
Why didn't you hide in the basement?
Anywhere. Away. Safety. I fell. Dropped key.
The spell's power wanes. You can ask no more questions.
I do love the way they made Speak with Dead to where, oh, you can now just talk to any corpse.
Mm-hmm.
Larian, Crash Reporter.
Joy,